Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's cooking video, I'm going to be making dal soup. This is a vegan and vegetarian dish, Indian inspired obviously. So these are the things that we need. I'm gonna go over it. Depending on the amount of people you are, it's just me and my husband, 2 people. I used 1 cup, so half cup of the orange one and half cup of the yellow lentils. I chopped up about 2 tomatoes here that I'm going to kind of fry for the base. I have some olive oil, tomato paste. I mixed all of my masalas up. So here I have turmeric, I have garam masala, salt, and in the beginning you're going to fry some Zeera for the base. And then I have a lot of ginger and a lot of garlic here, and it's obviously really good for your immune system. It's obviously like the base of every Indian dish is the ginger and the garlic. It just makes the dish taste so much more better and so much tastier and healthier. So let's get to cooking, guys. So first things first is we're going to put this in the pressure cooker. So let's just do that, and I will actually not talk anymore. I'm just going to do this video and it'll be like a voiceover.